Hello and welcome. This tutorial will show you how to download MaxUC. First, we need to visit myhostedconnection.com. Please make use of the credentials for your hosted connection that have been supplied to you. After logging in, please select the Downloads button positioned at the lower right corner. Now click on Your Computer. In this section, MaxUC will automatically identify the OS version running on your computer. Please click on the recommended OS software for downloading. MaxUC will download in the background. Please click on the Downloads section in your browser and open the downloaded file. Click Next, then press Next once more. Choose whether you want MaxUC to launch on startup or not. Afterward, click Next, and finally, click Install. Click Finish. Click on Login manually. Now, choose Hosted Connection from the drop-down menu as your phone carrier, and then click OK. Now, sign in using the hosted connection credentials provided to you. Afterward, click on the Login button. Read and scroll through the agreement. Once done, tick the box located at the bottom left corner and then click Accept. Congratulations! You've successfully downloaded MaxUC and are now ready to explore the full range of features and functionality offered by Hosted Connection.